Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will learn consonant digraphs and vowel digraphs. First, let's learn what is digraphs. Di means two and graph means letters. When two letters join together make a new sound is known as digraphs. Now what is consonant digraph? Consonant digraph is when two consonants like CH, these are two consonants. C is a consonant and same H also a consonant. C, K, G, H, these all are consonants. But when two consonants join together make a new sound is known as digraph. Let's look some examples with me. When the letter C and H join together make sound ch, ch, just like ch, a, chair. This is vowel digraph. A and I both are vowels. A, ch, a, chair. Ch, o, chore. In this word, this O has long vowel sound O. Because here is magic E and this magic E change the vowel, say its name. So we will say O. Ch or chore. E, ch, each. This is vowel digraph and this is consonant digraph. E, ch, each. Ch, much. C and K make sound k, k, just like b, a, k, back. D, a, k, duck. A, k, neck. A, k, rock. This is short vowel sound A. And here we read long vowel sound O. Ch, o, chore. Because this magic E change the vowel, say its name. Chore, a, k, rock. Next consonant digraph is G and H make sound f, just like k, a, f, cough. This is also a digraph, two letters combination. O and U make sound A. Same A and U also make sound A. U, a, f, laugh. A, f, rough. In this word we are reading only A sound. This O is silent, rough. T, a, f, tough. Same here, this O is silent, tough. Next combination is K is always silent just before N. Just like N, E, ni. And this K is silent. N, I, f, knife. This is long vowel sound. Knife. And this K is silent. N, a, t, not. And this K is silent. N, o, no. This is also another letter combination. O and W make sound O. N, o, no. Next combination is O. So this is all. B, all, ball. F, all, fall. V, all, wall. N and G make sound ng, just like k, a, ng, king. A, ng, ring. S, a, ng, sing. V, a, ng, wing. P and H make sound f, just like g, a, f, graph. G, a, f, gopher. This is also a two letter combination. Gopher. Fawn. This word we will read as tricky word, photo. When the letter Q and U join together in a word, we will say qua, just like qua, ack, quack. Qua, queen. This is also another digraph, queen. Qua, quite. Qua, quiz. S and H make sound sh, just like d, a, sh, dish, f, a, sh, fish, sh, a, p, ship. This word we will read as tricky word, shoe. Next is th, just like b, a, th, but, b, o, th, bought, the, a, n, then, th, a, ng, thing. W and H make sound w, just like w, a, l, whale. This is a tricky word, what, w, a, n, when, w, I, t, white. This is long vowel I, white. Whenever you see these letter combination in a word, then W will be always silent just before the letter R. Just like wrap, app, wrap, and this W is silent. A, st, wrist. W is silent. I, t, right. E, t, wreath. Now let's look vowel digraphs. As we know, vowels are A, E, I, O, U. These are the vowels. So, whenever any of two vowels join together in a word and make a new sound is known as vowel digraph. A and I join together in a word make sound A, just like long vowel A sound, A. Let's look some examples. A, n, main. A, n, t, paint. A, n, rain. A, n, train. A and Y join together make a long vowel sound A, just like d, a, day. A, play. A, stay. This word we will read as tricky word, today. E and A make sound E, just like eat, eat. Eat, read. Eat, seat. Team. Next, E and E join together make sound E, long vowel E sound. So both has same sound E. B, f, E, free. C, E, tree. Another vowel digraphs is O and U join together make sound O. B-O-T, boat. G-O-T, goat. R-O-D, road. S-O-P, soap. U and E make sound oo, just like B-U, blue. K-U, clue. G-U, glue. T-U, true. So these are all vowel digraphs and these are all consonant digraphs. Now watch this video again and try to remember these digraphs. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and don't forget to subscribe for more lessons update. Thank you.